Hey guys, it's Amanda, and today I'm at the thrift store and I want to show you how I thrift books. So let's go in and take a look. So I like looking at all the nonfiction books. So that can include things like religious textbooks, cookbooks, and anything like that. So basically anything nonfiction sells really well on Amazon. So let's start here with the religious section and let's scan a few and see how it goes. Alright, so with my Scally app, I just click on the scan and I'm just going to scan the barcode on each item and it'll come up as red or green. See, this one comes up red, meaning it's not profitable at the $2.50 cost of goods. So then I just kind of go through and scan. And the best part is if you do wear headphones in here, it'll tell you, it'll chime ding if it's green, and it'll give you like a sign if it's a no. So it's really nice. Sometimes you can just click through and just listen to the sounds and not even look at your phone to see if it's a red or green. You can easily just put this in your pocket if you have like a handheld scanner. I didn't have my handheld scanner today, which is what I normally use. You just kind of put your phone in your pocket and have your scanner and it just tells you yes or no. With books like this one, if you see in the back, there is no barcode. So what we do, we actually just take the book and we open it up and we find the ISBN number, which is right here. So I'll take my phone and I will click the ISBN box and then kind of just go over it. And again, this is a no. So you always want to check every book, even if there is no barcode on it, because those are the ones that people will skip over. So it's better for you. So now I just click the scan again and I go back to scanning and then I click the barcode. I personally love the religious section because I just seem that I find the best profitable books here. And I will switch on over to the ISBN for this one because there is no barcode. And sure enough, it's green. So it has 11 E-score. And then it's got a 1080 profit or 1210. And then it sells quite often. It sells a little bit more during this time. But I would still buy it because I'm going to FBM this. So let's take it. Okay, so I've just scanned this second shelf and I found the official GRE test, general test, I'm sure. I don't know what it is exactly. But the E-score is 128. The rank also is definitely something to consider. I like selling in books that are 1 million or below. So 16,000 rank is really fast. It sells all the time. And you can see the green, it just comes up and down all the time. It's very steady. It sells all the time. And this will sell 515 FBA or 711. And then this one will sell fast. So now I'm in the section of art and poetry. This is a really good section. Education textbooks are really great. They go really well, especially during textbook season. And then have any kind of education, either English or Spanish, go really well. Nature books are amazing, especially during the seasons where people are more into bird watching. That's when they'll purchase those. Travel, vintage are also really great. And so are some classics. And let's go to the next section. And then as you can see, this is another green one. So this one has an E-score of 41, which is also pretty great. It's got 13 used FBA offers. This would give me a profit of $13.80 or $15.70. And then the green drops are how many times it sells, which sells pretty quickly. And then it also gives you the price right here or right here. Kind of just glance at it, but this is definitely a good buy. So this is a perfect example. I just scanned the ISBN number and it came up green. So let's take a look at it. So we'll exit out right here. So if I sent this in FBA, it would give me a $9.54 profit, or if I did FBM, it would be $11.50. And there are 18 used FBA and there are 34 used FBM, I believe. I don't look at the new because I am not selling new. And then this is the keepograph. This is kind of tells you what the sales are, what it looks like, what the buy box is. The pink is the buy box. So you can see up here it was like maybe 38 and then down it was like 18. So it does go up and down quite a bit. And then these green drops are how many times it sells. So this actually sells quite often. You can also tell it sells because of the e-score. The e-score is 54. I like having an e-score of 15 or above. The e-score is based off of 180 days, so the higher this is, the better. The highest number I've seen is 151. So 54 out of 150 is pretty good. So this is definitely a buy.